First up in this episode, a new software that at first glance looks like a fun way to turn your iPhone into a controller for your game system or TV, but also has the potential to connect us with every electronic device we pass. Shining Cities sat down with Infrared 5 inventor and Mass Challenge finalist Chris Allen to explore the seemingly endless potential applications for his new software in the worlds of travel, museums, smart homes, the classroom, and of course, gaming. Chris, tell me about Brass Monkey.
Yeah, so Brass Monkey is a new product that we've actually created at Infrared 5. It's software that allows you to connect your iPhone to something running inside of a web browser.
So when you connect them, what can you do?
Well, in this case, we're showing the Star Wars Trench Run game. What you can do with this, if you get the Brass Monkey upgrade for the game, you can actually use the device as a controller. And you'll see right here, I'm firing and able to steer with the accelerometer.
So you're using your iPhone as a remote control for your computer?
Absolutely, yep. And the cool thing about this is it doesn't require the user to really install any extra software on the computer to have it work. As long as they have the game and the web browser loaded up and they're on the same Wi-Fi network, then you can use the two and pair them together.
Okay, so this is the first application for this technology, though. This is not just about gaming.
No, this is not just about gaming. That's exactly right. I mean, this is a pretty obvious use of the technology, but we also see, advertisers and, digital signs and being able to interact with them in unique ways.
So give me an example. How do you interact with a digital sign?
Imagine walking into a 7-Eleven, you see a digital screen there which has got advertisements on it as well. And you join the network, and all of a sudden you load up your iPhone with the game controller, and then you're automatically playing like an arcade game right inside of the store. Imagine going by a store at night, and you walk by and you have the app, and all of a sudden you can actually change what's going on in the display in the store and maybe buy the actual particular item that you see there in the display.
So you might see something in the window that you want and then use your iPhone to connect with what, a data source that's there in the window?
Absolutely, probably a screen, some kind of digital sign or something like that where you could actually manipulate it, pull it down, maybe get a coupon for the store, and then maybe also be able to buy it directly right there.
But not from your card?
Hopefully not from your car.
Eventually, you may be able to consolidate all the remotes you own right into your smartphone.
Obviously, kind of using it as a game controller is another example of that. This great home kind of experience. If you hook this computer up to a TV or something, a large display, and all of a sudden you have, like you said, the Wii or something like that as a game controller. Others, you can imagine controlling the lights in the room. You can imagine maybe using it, as a dimmer, maybe the central control, pulling out, maybe pulling down the blinds in the room automatically. So those kind of things.
Setting thermostats?
Thermostats.
Anything electronic in your house.
Basically, yeah.
In the future, you could connect and control perhaps from your iPhone or
as long as you had the app for that and you had the computer software that would run the lights and everything else. Yes, absolutely. So lots of different use cases for it.
The app could also be used in the future to help you get around town to tourist attractions or historic sites using your phone as your all-inclusive guide.
Chris, how has being a part of Mass Challenge helped your company?
I think the biggest thing for us has been all the connections and meeting all of these other, first of all, fellow entrepreneurs. I think that's really inspiring, but probably more importantly, we're getting connected within the community of potential investors. We're also able to kind of learn from a lot of these mentors, which have been immensely helpful.